Are you a smoothie lover who is always on the go? We know the struggle. Balancing a busy schedule while trying to maintain a healthy lifestyle can feel like juggling flaming torches. But fear not, we're here to help. We've scoured the globe, sipped and slurped, to bring you some quick and easy hacks to shave precious minutes off your smoothie making routine. So grab your blender, your favorite fruits, and let's get started. Stay tuned to discover some time-saving smoothie hacks that will revolutionize your mornings. Ever heard of the saying, failing to prepare is preparing to fail? It couldn't be more relevant when it comes to our smoothie adventure. The secret to seamless smoothie making lies in the power of preparation. Our first smoothie hack is all about creating and freezing smoothie packs in advance. This is a simple yet game-changing strategy. All you have to do is to portion out your favorite smoothie ingredients into individual packs and pop them in the freezer. Think about it. You've just turned your morning routine into a grab-and-go situation. No more hurriedly chopping up fruits or hunting down that elusive bag of spinach. Plus, it's a great way to reduce food waste, as you're only using what you need for each smoothie. The beauty of this hack is that it's not only time efficient, but it also allows you to experiment with different flavor combinations. With these pre-prepared smoothie packs, you'll have a nutritious breakfast ready in no time. Now, let's talk about the actual blending process. The secret to a perfectly smooth smoothie starts with how you blend. Here's a pro tip you might not know. Start your blender at a low speed, then gradually increase it. This method gives your ingredients time to break down slowly, creating that silky, smooth texture we all crave in a smoothie. Plus, it's a great way to prevent your blender from wearing out too quickly. But that's not all. Our third hack involves the order in which you add your ingredients. For easier blending, always add your liquids first. This base creates a smoother path for your blender blades to glide through, making the blending process more efficient and preventing any unnecessary strain on your blender motor. Remember, blending like a pro is all about taking care of your blender and mastering the art of smoothie making. With these blending techniques, you'll not only save time, but also prolong the life of your blender. Dreading the cleanup after making your smoothie? We've got you covered. One of the biggest game changers in your smoothie routine can be the way you clean your blender. It's simple, don't let it sit. The longer you wait, the more those fruit and veggie remnants harden, making your job 10 times tougher. But there's a hack for that. Here's the secret. Clean your blender immediately after use. Sounds obvious, right? But we're not talking about a full scrub down. Oh no, we're talking about a quick, easy clean. Simply rinse out any leftover smoothie residue, then add a little bit of dish soap and warm water. Pop the blender back onto its base and blend away. It's a whirlwind bath for your blender. In less than a minute, your blender will be clean, fresh, and ready for your next smoothie concoction. With these hacks, your smoothie routine will be quicker, easier, and more enjoyable. So go ahead, give them a try. Before we say goodbye, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We talked about the power of preparation, creating ready-to-go smoothie packs for ease and efficiency. Then we discussed blending techniques, starting at a lower speed to get a smoother texture. We also highlighted the importance of adding liquids first to protect your blender's blades. Lastly, we covered quick cleaning techniques to keep your blender sparkling and ready for your next smoothie creation. Remember, a healthy lifestyle doesn't have to be time-consuming. With these smoothie hacks, you can enjoy your favorite smoothies without the hassle. Happy blending! Have a recipe or idea for better, healthier living? Then leave a comment below. Who knows, maybe we will add it to our harmonysmoothie.com site. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, subscribe. Want to learn more about creating amazing smoothies, healthy eating to improve your life, smoothie technology, and kitchen essentials? Then remember to head on over to harmonysmoothie.com for more great recipes and smoothie tips and tricks.